If you've ever seen a video blowing up on social media and thought, how did they make that? Or I wish I could recreate something like that for my own content. Well, this video is for you because today I'm taking a look at Topview's Video Agent, a tool that lets you take an existing viral video or even just a link and then have AI recreate it automatically. There's no manual editing or complicated setup. You upload the video, let the AI do its thing, and then compare the results. And Topview is powered by OpenAI's Sora 2, and the promise here is a true AI recreation, not just a basic remix. And I'm gonna walk you through the entire process step by step. All right, once you've signed up and logged into Topview, this is what your home dashboard looks like. And the idea here is that we're gonna upload a sample video for Topview to reference and then have the AI recreate and reimagine it. And you have a few options. You could paste a link of the video or upload a sample. I'm gonna upload one, so I'll use the reference video option here. And keep in mind that if you are uploading a video, it needs to be an MP4 and under 60 seconds long. So I'm gonna click the reference video button and then upload a video that I want Topview to use as the example. And due to the fact that the reference video that I'm using fades in, so it starts with a black screen, you can't really see the thumbnail of the video here. So let me give you a quick snippet of the reference video that I'm going to be using for this example. Hey there, want to supercharge your website's conversions? Let me introduce you to Unbounce's AI-enhanced features. First up, we have the AI Smart Builder. With its machine learning capabilities, you can generate high-converting landing pages in minutes. Simply input a few starter prompts. Okay, so the reference video is a mobile style promotional video where I'm the male speaker, and then we go into some product shots. So let's see how Topview recreates this video. And then once that video finishes uploading, Topview will automatically generate a prompt for you based on the content. You'll see the prompt appear right below that in the prompt box. And the nice part is you can either keep it as is or you can edit it and make it more specific. But in this case, I'm going to stick with Topview's auto-generated prompt because it already matches what I want, which is basically recreating the structure and style of the reference video. Then towards the bottom right corner of the prompt box, you'll see that you have the ability to choose your mode before you submit this. And I'm going to keep it set to guided mode. This lets you chat with the AI step by step while Topview is generating the video, which is helpful if you want more control or if you want to fine tune the output as you go. And as you'll see in a few moments, it's basically like having an AI coworker help you make the video. Okay, once you've uploaded the video, entered your prompt and selected the mode, go ahead and click the submit button and Topview's Video Agent gets to work. From here, you'll be taken to the chat interface and preview. So the chat conversation is on the left side, and then once your video is generated, the preview is going to show up on the right side. So you could think of this as the guided build process. You're basically working with the AI like a creative assistant, and it'll walk you through what it needs in order to recreate the video. Then while the video is generating, you'll notice the AI may pause and ask a few clarifying questions directly in the chat. And in this case, Topview flags that confirmation is required and prompts me to complete a short questionnaire. This step helps the AI better understand the product, the audience, and the type of video it should generate. So it's worth taking a moment to go through it. And taking a closer look here, the first section is focused on video creation requirements. At the top, I'm asked to enter the product name, so I'll type that in the field provided. Then right below that, Topview is asking me to upload product images, which are required for video generation. And I'll click that upload icon and then select a few product images. And then once those are added, you'll see them appear as thumbnails inside the interface. Next, it asks who the product users are. And based on the options shown, I'm selecting digital marketers and agencies, small business owners, content creators and bloggers, and e-commerce entrepreneurs. These selections help Topview tailor the messaging, pacing, and visuals of the recreated video to the right audience. After that, there's a section asking about the product's selling points, so I'll click the ones that I want to reference in the video. And then I'll scroll down to the target countries where I'll leave this set to United States. And then below that is the video script language. And for this example, I'm keeping it set to English. And then if we scroll down even more, you'll see the video aspect ratio and video duration and quality options. These match what we saw earlier, and I'm leaving them set to 9:16 vertical video, which is great for mobile, and we'll have it set to 15 seconds at standard quality. And then once everything in the questionnaire is filled out and confirmed, I'll click the confirm button and that will send it through, and Topview can move forward with generating the video. At this point, the AI has everything it needs, and in a few moments you'll see a smart plan checklist appear in the chat showing exactly what the AI is doing behind the scenes. And then below that is the task progress checklist, where you could actually open it and then monitor the AI's progress with each step. And this took a few minutes to process, but keep an eye out for any additional communication from the AI video agent. And in this example, I'm presented with a detailed video storyboard. This breaks the video down scene by scene, including timing, visual descriptions, and dialogue. And you can review this and see how the video agent AI plans to structure the recreated video from the opening hook all the way to the call to action at the end. And at this point, Topview pauses and waits for your approval before moving forward. And if the storyboard looks good, go ahead and click the confirmation button that says you've reviewed it and want to proceed to the next step. If there's anything that you don't agree with, just enter that in the chat and you could work with the AI to fine tune it. But once you confirm, Topview starts generating the actual video. And you'll see a message letting you know the video is being generated, and depending on server load, this could take anywhere from a few minutes up to about 20 minutes. And while it's working, you'll see a loading indicator in the video preview area. And this did take a few minutes to finish, so let me fast forward really quick. And once done, you'll see the preview of the video on the right-hand side of the screen, and you could play it back immediately to review the result. So let's check it out.
Hey there, want to supercharge your website's conversions? Let me show you Unbounce's AI features. The AI Smart Builder generates high converting landing pages in minutes. Plus, its smart traffic feature can get you up to 30% more conversions. Start your free trial today.
Okay, so I thought that was really good. It took my original short form content where I was the main speaker and completely replicated it, but with a different female speaker who looks and sounds like a natural human, which was honestly impressive. And just to note, what you're seeing here is a preview, so it does include a watermark. If you want to remove the watermark and export the final version, you can upgrade to one of Topview's paid plans. But as far as the quality of the output itself goes, that was way better than I expected. Then if you look back over at the chat, you'll see that the AI follows up with a few additional prompts once the video is ready. And at this stage, it's essentially checking in to see how satisfied you are with the result and what you want to do next. The AI gives you a few quick response options that you could click on instead of typing anything out, and this makes it really easy to iterate without starting over from scratch or re-uploading your reference video. Then once you click one of the responses or type in your response, the task progress updates at the bottom to show that the workflow is complete. And at this point, you can play it back again, review the pacing and visuals, and decide whether you want to download it, repair it, publish it, or generate another variation. And this back and forth inside the chat is what makes the video agent feel more like a creative assistant than a one-click generator. And speaking of repair, if you click the video repair button, this takes you into Topview's repair interface where you could fix and fine-tune specific shots in the video instead of regenerating the entire thing. And as soon as you enter this view, the video timeline appears along the bottom, so you could scrub through and select the exact clip that you want to adjust. And then over on the right, you'll see a panel labeled Select and Edit Command to repair this shot. And this is where Topview gives you targeted repair options depending on the issue that you're trying to fix. And then once you've selected the appropriate repair command and confirm it, Topview applies the fix just to that individual shot, not the whole video. And when you're happy with the changes, you could save them and jump right back into the main preview. This repair workflow is really useful because it lets you polish specific moments quickly without having to start over or regenerate everything from scratch. Then back at the preview, another cool feature is the Quick Publish option. And once you click that button, Topview will prompt you to install their Chrome extension, which essentially gives you a quick publish option for your target platforms like TikTok or Instagram. And this is a nice time saver if you're creating a lot of short form content because it removes a few extra steps from the workflow. Instead of exporting the video, saving it locally, and then uploading it again on each platform, you could go straight from preview to posting with just a couple of clicks. Then finally, if you want to save the video locally, you can download it directly to your device by clicking the download button. All right, that's going to do it for this video. What stood out to me most is how natural the output looks, especially considering that this all starts from a reference video and then runs through OpenAI's Sora 2. And if you want to try this out for yourself, I'll leave a link to Topview in the video description below so you can sign up and explore the video agent for yourself. And whether you're creating ads, social content, or testing new creative angles, this makes it much faster to iterate without rebuilding everything from scratch. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. So that's going to do it for this video. If you found it helpful, I'd greatly appreciate it if you would like, comment, share, and subscribe to the Blog with Ben YouTube channel. Also, if you're looking to start a blog, check out these 2 videos on how to build, grow, and monetize a WordPress blog. They'll walk you through the entire process step by step. And as always, your support means a great deal to me and my family, and for that, I thank you. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.